Creating a compliant e-invoice should feel simple. With InvoiceGuard HQ, you can build the structured file, validate it, download it, and check invoices you receive €, all in one clear flow. Open the free e-invoice studio and choose Start Free. There is no sign-up or installation. Step 1 is your business. Enter the seller name, VAT identification, address, contact details, and payment information. The form labels the fields the standard requires, so you know what belongs where. Step 2 is your customer. Add the buyer's legal name, address, country, and tax details. Accurate identifiers help accounting systems read and route the invoice correctly. Step 3 is the invoice itself. Add the invoice number, issue and due dates, currency, payment terms, and choose EN16931 XML. Then add each line item, description, quantity, net price, and VAT rate. The totals are calculated for you. Now review the summary. Confirm the seller, buyer, totals, and output format. When everything looks right, click Generate. InvoiceGuard HQ checks the structured data before download. When you see past EN16931 validation, your e-invoice is ready. Download the XML and deliver the structured file through the channel required for your customer. And when a supplier sends you an e-invoice, use the checker. Drop in the XML before it enters your books and see whether it passes EN16931. Create yours. Check theirs. Start free at invoiceguardhq.com/e-invoice, or open the complete step-by-step guide at invoiceguardhq.com/docs/e-invoicing.